Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, happy e-learning day. Thanks for following step one, the directions. Let's review what the directions are for the quiz review. So yesterday we gave you the 6-4A, 6-4B quiz review. You guys started on page one. Today you're supposed to work on page two. I want to do a question from both so we remember what we're doing. All right. So let's do question 8. So remember, you're going to ask yourself those 3 questions. 1, do my bottom numbers match? No, bottom numbers don't match. 2, can I turn 1 into the other? And no, for 8 we can't turn 10 into 15 or 15 into 10. It's a multiplication of a whole number. But what we can say is, can I turn 10 and 15 into one new number, right? And so we're going to use multiples to do that. So the first number, let's do flat. First number is 10, 20, 30, 40, just count by 10, 50. Stop there. 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. Oh, look, we can stop. There's our number, right? So 30. We're going to make 2 new fractions with 30 on the bottom. Right, lines over the top. We're going to compare these two. To make 10 into 30, we multiplied by 3. So I'm going to multiply 1 by 3 to get 3 30ths for my new number here. This side, 15 times 2 makes 30, so 2 times 2 makes 4. And then we're going to say, since they're both positive, that 4 30ths is bigger than 3 30ths, or we could say 3 30ths is less than 4 30ths. All right? Next page. Oh, let's do this one. Let's do question 4. So we want to figure out how many times 7 can go into 25. If you use your multiplication chart, if you check the multiples of 7, you can write them. We have 7, 14, 21, and 28. Oh, 28's too big. So 21 it has to be. So that's 1, 2, 3. Big 3. 7s are still a bottom number. We know that. To get the top number, we're going to take this number up here. Let's write it like this. 25. 25 minus 21. That's going to make 4. So we put 4 up there. Our answer is 3 and 4 sevenths. Right? Last question. Right here. So question 12. We need to convert them both to improper fractions. So for this one, we're going to do, so remember we want to get rid of the negative. Let's change colors. Get rid of the negative. Put it down here. So I know 8 times 6 is 48. So matter of fact, let's write it out. 8 times 6 plus 1. So 8 times 6 is 48 plus 1 is 49. 8. This side's already improper. 21 fourths. All right. We have to do the same thing we did on the first page. Do my bottom numbers match? No. Can I turn one into the other? Yes. If you look at the 4 column, the next number is 8. That means that I can multiply this side by 2 to make the bottom number 8. So we're going to have 2 fractions of bottom number 8. The first one stays negative 49 eighths. This one, we multiply 4 times 2 to make 8, so negative 21 times 2 is negative 42. And then we're going to compare the two, and we're going to say that negative 42 is bigger than negative 49. That is our final answer. All right, let's go back up to the top. I want you guys to do something for me. On the top of the second page, if you write the word ice at the top of your page, I'm okay if you cross out two questions. All right, so if you write ice at the top of your page, you can cross out any 2 more questions, all right, and still turn it in for the full credit. All right? All right, thank you much. Have a good day.